classification of elements. Okay. See, already in the last chapter, we have seen we are trying to write the elements. We wrote the 1 to 30 elements. Means how elements we find, but we need to know it how they are arranged. How they are arranged. It means why we are trying to learn that element and what is the importance of that element. Why we need to learn that element. At present, we had so many elements, nearly suppose it is approximately equal to 118 elements we had present. Means we need to remember that all 118 elements. How can we remember that 118 elements? Means even that element should be remembered, not only remembering, but it should be arranged in particular order. It should be arranged in a particular order. How can we arrange that elements in a particular order that we want to know? Here, what happens normally? Example I can give you that if you go to the supermarket, otherwise if you, how many of you have visited the D-Mart or any market? If you go to the market, what happens? When you enter, see what happens, each and every block will be there for you. If you go to the D-Mart, best I can say you that. If ground floor completely the water or grocery will be there, that you will get it. One will be, you will get it a hardware and the steels, whatever it is there. One more will be the clothing section. Yes or no? Again in the type what happen, again it will be divided for you. If you enter into that, for example in a clothing section you will get kids wear will be separated. First ladies and gents section will be separated. In the ladies and gents, again what happen, if you come to the gents, the kid wears will be separated. Again the shoes column will be get separated. Again the clothes column, nightwear column, means all this will be get separated. Means it is what happen at that time, we know you will be easily identified that where will we get the whatever the thing. You will be going with the fixing one. For example, if you are going to buy the shoes, okay, there you will get a shoes. In the right side of that particular area, you will get a men's shoe. Like that, here also the element should be arranged in such a way that here, if you go and search that for a particular element, it will be found in this area, in the period, in the elements, where it will be present. You can identify it easily, and we need to know completely about it. Like that, you need to identify that. Further, what happened? From the beginning only, most of the persons started arranging the elements. First, the person was the robot boy. He is the person. What happened normally? No need to arrange the elements. All the elements will be having different behavior, different properties based with the help of their physical and chemical properties. No need to. Only Robert Boyle was said that thing because only at the time of his period it was found only the nearly about somewhere around 13 elements were found. Afterward, another scientist came, Lavoisier. More 11 elements were found. Like that, when a person was going on adding on, what happened means the element number was going to be increased. At that time, it was become more difficult. Compulsory it should be remembered and should be arranged. Means like that goes on. And finally, it was came nearly about 115 elements. Means this 115 elements should be arranged in a periodic table. How it should be arranged? No one had idea. No one had idea. Means they have started arranging that elements with the different things. Same concept they were even tried with the normally first basic element was the hydrogen. Okay, hydrogen is the element which is a building block of elements. Hydrogen is the building block of element. Means with the help of hydrogen only they found many elements. Something like I can say you. See for example when we talked about the Neil Bohr. The Bohr's model when he was trying to say that he said completely about started explaining with the help of hydrogen atom. Means most of the elements which were found in the periodic table that was found with the help of. That's why I can say that hydrogen is a building block of element. With the help of that most of the elements were arranged. Means here based upon that concept only. Okay, one of the person means so many scientists were involved in for making the element table, but we have taken only the few concepts. I said the Robert Boyle is there, Lavoisier is there, so many persons are there. Then they also gave their own tables, but we are not learning about them. Why? Because we are learning only few which are important for making a modern periodic table, which was taken into consideration. We all said the different concepts first that we are taking into the consideration. That the first person is Dobener. Normally Dobener, we can say it as a law of traits. We can say it as a law of traits. Means what he did, he has taken 3 elements. Means till that time what happened, nobody was bringing any concepts over there. Just they are trying to arrange the elements, how to it should be remembered or like that they are said. But here Dobener what he did, he has taken one of the concept of atomic weights. A concept with a atomic weights. He has taken a 3 elements. He has taken a 3 elements, and what he said, whenever you are taking a 3 same similar elements, he has taken first and the last element. What are the first elements and the last elements in the 3 elements? Will give the ratio of arithmetic mean of the middlemost element, he said. He has taken a 3 elements like lithium, sodium, and potassium. He has taken a 3 elements. See, lithium atomic weight is 7. Potassium atomic weight is 39. Okay? Potassium atomic weight is 39. He has taken a 3 elements in a trade. Law of trade is nothing but he has taken a 3 elements with a similar atomic weights. Means he has taken a lithium, he has taken even a potassium. He said that if you are taking an average of these 2 numbers, arithmetic mean is nothing but an average only. Average of these 2 numbers will give you the atomic weight of the middlemost element. Something like arithmetic mean 7 plus 39 by 2. The 2 elements are the sum of the 2 numbers by number of observations. Sum of observations by number of observations. Only the 2 observations are the 7 plus 39 by 2, which is equal to 46 by 2, which is equal to 23. Means atomic weight of sodium is 23. You are getting it exactly correct. You are getting exactly correct whatever the first it is okay. Like that he has given you in the table so many law of different traits were given for you. Means for that elements what happened? Most of the elements which are having with the lowest atomic weight, for all of them we are getting a similar atomic weight. He has taken only the few elements, he has not taken all the elements. He has taken only the few elements, he has taken all the elements. Means here even he had a drawbacks. Failures are there, not all the success. If you are taking a lowest atomic weight elements, you are getting a middlemost element, okay. If you are taking a higher atomic weight elements, like other elements are there, manganese, chromium is there, iron is there. If you are taking such elements, other elements you know you are taking, when you are taking an average of the 2 numbers over there, average of the 2 numbers, arithmetic of the 2 numbers, you are not getting the middlemost element. Means it is one of the drawback over there. And there are so many other elements are there. Still other elements are there. Even that other elements are there, for that he didn't explain with the help of his model. That's why this model was not existed for a long period. But what we have learned in this concept means here the first person is the Dobiner to say about the atomic weights of the elements. He is the first person to say explain about the atomic weight of the element. Even we can arrange the periodic table with the help of atomic weight, which was explained by the Dobiner. Here he has a main drawbacks, that is he has in his trade some of the dissimilar elements were placed. Dissimilar elements are there. Even some of the similar elements are there. When you are taking the average of the similar element, you are not getting the middlemost elements element atomic weight you are not getting. These are the mainly drawbacks of the Dobiner. You see, if you guys are getting a drawbacks, means that was not completely accepted by the most of the person. That's why some other person came for explaining the again periodic table. So who was that? We'll see in the next one. Thank you.